Okay, I'm further doing this design. I'm trying to see where I'm gonna go with the cups. I think I'm gonna crisscross. So, let's see, here we go. Make sure this is even. We're gonna go like this. Diagonal. Pull. Okay. So I'm designing as I work. Don't have anything written down because I am terrible at sketching. I wish I had that talent. I don't. So there's those two. And then, so that goes across, so I need one this way. Let's see. No, here's what we'll do. Here we go. Yeah. Now, y'all, I think I know what I'm going to do with this outfit. I think I'm going to add the bottom in crochet. Because remember, I don't know if you know this, but I love to crochet as well, and I'm going to have crochet videos up soon. But the crochet will give me a lot of less fringe, and it'll make it more complete. So I'm going to do some crochet. Pull this a little tighter, 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 tighter. Okay, there we go. And then, where am I going to go now? It's fun with the process. Maybe I'll do something like that. I don't know. Maybe I'll go like this. Okay, here we go. I got it, y'all. Keep on down. I did this in kind of another shirt that is really popular on Pinterest, and I haven't done the tutorial for it yet, but I think I'm going to do it next. Summer is quickly ending, and I want to get a lot of these up for this summer. Zoom in. Okay, make sure you're tight there. There we go. And then bring another one across here. So just keep adding. Oh my God, this is, holy goodness. This is looking so good. Oh gosh, I feel inspired lately. Must be something with the moon. Something with my energies lately. I do feel very tired in the day though, so it must be some kind of vampire or wolf, I don't know. Very nocturnal lately. And then I have to sleep during the day because I don't sleep well at night because of menopause. But the creative energies are flowing, and my cards told me they would be flowing too. My tarot cards. Okay, let's keep going down, y'all. Let me scoot this over. I love how I can just scoot things over with macrame. Macrame. Okay. You know, part of doing these videos is therapeutic for me because a lot of my friends don't live in Kentucky. I think I mentioned before I moved back here, and I don't know, some days I'm sad that I'm so 6 hours away from them, and then some days I'm like, I'm getting so much done. But at least, like, when I'm doing these videos, I feel like, hey, I got someone to talk to besides my dad. And my son is nonverbal, so he doesn't really talk back. He makes sounds, but it's kind of proving to be therapeutic for me. I'm very thankful for that. I don't know what else to say, but I do love creating and sharing and designing. I have some other things in the work. In a minute, I'm going to get off of here, and I'm going to work on some tissue tie-dyeing of these couple of items that I'm upcycling. And then I'm going to go to the gym. But I do have, there's other projects that I want to work on, but I really try to do too much sometimes, so I have to slow it down. How pretty is that, y'all? See that? I don't know. It's so pretty. I'm not sure where I'm going to go, but thanks for joining me on the journey. I'll keep adding to it and sharing it with you. Thanks.